Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm going to be doing a series of basic tutorials on Iweb. Now what Iweb is, it is a program that comes generally with a new Macintosh computer that allows you to create websites. It's very easy to use, but it does have some powerful tools that are within the software. So what I want to do is just do this in increments, maybe about 7 to 10 minutes each video. I'll do a few videos actually, just showing the key parts of Iweb and how you use it and things of that nature. So hopefully it helps someone. If you're out there and you're trying to create a website and you don't want to pay hundreds or thousands of dollars and be on someone else's timeline, then you can use Iweb. Or if you're not that good at creating different types of files that are involved with creating a website, then this is probably the thing for you. Now key thing is it is for Macintosh, so you must have a Mac operating system. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and launch Iweb. Now initially when you launch it, if it's your first time using it, it's going to ask you a series of questions. Do you want to look at the tutorials, things of that nature, and you can select it or not. It just depends. If it's your first time using it, then you might want to go through those steps. I don't need to do that anymore. This is I've been working with Iweb here for probably about 6 months, and I've really learned a lot about it, and hopefully it helps. Now the first thing you want to do is, as you can see, I just launched it. The first thing you want to do is figure out what kind of website you want. First of all, you need to have that clear in your head. What kind of site are you building? For me, I'm building a security related website for a business I plan to launch here soon, within the next 12 to 16 months. Now you must pay for someone to host your website. If you don't have MobileMe, if you have MobileMe, then you can publish it to MobileMe, and basically what that does is MobileMe will kind of keep track of all your files so that people will be able to view your website online. So you need to pay for that if you don't have MobileMe, as well as you need to pay some company like GoDaddy to host it, to host your website. And also to secure that name. So for instance, my website is called Tactical Force Inc. Well, you have to pay for that name online, so you need to pay a company to secure that identifier for your website. Okay, so you've gotten what sites you want to know. Basically, you know how you want to build your site, what it's going to be about. You know who you're gonna pay to, or who you're gonna publish it to. You know who's gonna host it. You've got your domain name, which I said use GoDaddy, or there's thousands of other companies you can use. You go right here to this page. It says publish to, site name, contact email, and of course my MobileMe account. You can also make the website private and secure it with a username, password. You can also publish to Facebook, update your Facebook profile when you finally do publish the site. Other than that, now before you even begin to put words on each individual page, you want to make sure that you select what kind of theme you're using. That can be, there's quite a few here, hundreds of them, what kind of themes you want to use. And when you select that theme, you can always go in and alter that theme. So once you got your theme, it'll give you that generic page, and you can go in and alter it. So let's just say I've already selected my theme. It was this page right here. It was black. It had writing already in it. What I did was I went in and changed all the font and everything to my liking. So that's my first page. And I also changed up here. You can change, if I click it twice, it says about us. You can change that to whatever you want by clicking twice. Same with any page. Okay. So now you are starting to work within the page itself. You got your theme. You started to kind of mess around with the font, things of that nature. Now if you want to add a page, you just click add page here at the bottom. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and go through these things these icons here at the bottom, and then I'm going to go ahead and end the video because I don't want to run over 10 minutes per video. Now add a page, you click it, it adds a page to what you're doing over here. Right now I have 3 pages. You can add, I'm not sure, I believe it's up to about 10 pages, but I'll check that and make sure that's right. The next it's an arrow here that says publish site. Once you're done with your changes, you click publish, and then it goes to your domain name. Your files are uploaded, essentially are on the web. Remember, you have to pay to get that domain name secured. Now this visit, that's once you've published the site. Theme, I just explained that. Text box, you can just put this box, and I have one right here. As you can see, I just selected it with text that I wanted to use. Shapes, you can actually put shapes into your page. Mask and rotate, that's once you select text. Now if you click adjust, you can actually you can adjust all the settings within that one page that you're working with. So that's very good for how you want your page to look. Now if you click inspector basically it gives you even more options to customize that page. You can add photos, slideshows, RSS feeds. You can work with the text. You can wrap it and list. You can add graphics to your page. You can position it, rotate it. You can add hyperlinks. You can format it. You can add QuickTime videos. So that's, I mean, excellent. It's just more ways to customize it, which is very good. Colors, self-explanatory, the colors of the page you're working with. Fonts, the fonts that you're working with on which page. And you can also hide this bar over here. This is called a media bar. It's on the right hand side. You can click hide media bar and it hides it for you. Okay, my next video, that's just a basic tutorial on what's on the bottom. My next video, I'm going to discuss what is on the right hand side over here. That is a media bar where you see mobile me, gallery, YouTube, Google Maps, Google AdSense, iSight Photo, iSight Movie, Countdown, RSS feed, HTML snippet. I'm going to discuss those in detail, as well as a few things that you can do up top with Iweb, including your preferences, file, edit, insert, format, arrange, view, window, and we'll go over the help menu. So guys, stay tuned for the next episode of the Iweb tutorial. I'm currently working on building my site. As you can see, I have about us, what we do, management, team, and training opportunities. Stay tuned for next episode. Thanks.